Hello friends. In this video, I intend to teach you how to register with the Bold Prime ISIS broker. You enter the Forex Broker section, select the Bold Prime broker and click on Go to Website, You enter the website and click on Sign Up to register. In the registration section, you enter your first and last name, along with your date of birth, country of residence, address, postal code, and mobile phone number. Also, in this section, you register your email address along with a password. I recommend using a minimum of 8 characters, including uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. In this section, you repeat your initial password for confirmation. Enter the relevant code in this section. You confirm the website's terms by ticking the box. And if you wish, you can create your account through Google or Facebook. Finally, after entering the information, click on Continue. In the next step, a code will be sent to your email. You log into your email. Select Bold Prime. And click on this link to confirm your email. Finally, you enter your account dashboard. Your account has been created. Good luck.